In this video, we're going to show you how to install a water meter on 3/4 inch PVC. You'll start by taking your Teflon tape and running it across the threads of your meter nipple. You'll then screw it into your 3/4 inch female PVC adapter, making sure that you do not cross thread the fitting. And you'll then snug it up. And you'll repeat for the other side. You'll then put in your gaskets and screw the meter fittings onto your meter. Then you'll want to tighten up your meter fittings. From here, you'll hold up the meter up to the line to get your measurements. In this video, we're just going to cut the pipe right in the middle just to save on material. You'll then want to use your PVC primer and prime the end of the pipe, making sure you get it nice and clean. And you'll repeat on the other side. You'll then want to prime the inside of the fitting. From here, you're good to glue the pipe into the fitting. Here you want to push the pipe in snug and twist and hold. And then you'll repeat on the other side. And once you get both ends inside the pipe, you want to wait about 15 minutes before turning the water back on.